Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, there is a good news for you guys. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is conducting three free online courses. Yes, these are free courses. You can go complete these courses online and you will get a completion certificate as well. Now, what are these courses? How you can go for these courses? How to register and all? This thing we will see in this video. But before that, I just want to tell one exciting news for those who want to excel data structure and algorithm with Java. My data structure and algorithm with Java course is still going on and you can register now and this is the best time. Why so? Because we are running a special coupon now that is gift 15. If you apply this coupon you will get extra 15% off on this course and this is, trust me, this is our best coupon yet and this won't last long. So go and hurry up, enroll in this course. What you will get in this course, complete Java language we will cover first, everything, then we'll go for DSA. And apart from the fundamental theoretical concept, we'll be discussing projects as well to give you hands-on experience. Each lesson, each concept is designed to give you practical experience and which is basically a key to master DSA. What stand out my course from other courses is what you get a live Q&A session every week, once in a week. So you get your doubt resolved in that session while interacting with me in real time, plus a dedicated WhatsApp group that I will personally monitor. You can be a part of that community of learner. You can ask your doubt there and you can have a chat with those your peers, plus detailed handwritten notes you will get and PPT. You can download these things and you can read. We have already covered few projects, one or two projects, and in this will be discussing lead code question and placement question as well, coding interview questions that are being asked by the top companies. Each and every concept I'll be covering in detailed manner, right? So this is, I guess, the perfect time to invest in yourself and excel in coding, problem solving skills and DSA. So the link you will get in the description box of this video. You go and check out. You can enroll there, or you can go to directly the website jennyslectures.com, and there you can explore the courses and enroll. And don't forget to apply the coupon code gift 15 to get extra 15% off. Right. So the details and the link you will get in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Go and check out. Now, what are the free courses by ISRO? So this is by the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing under Indian Space Research Organization. These courses are conducted by IIRS, and there are many free courses which they were conducting like in October, September, but right now we have three courses. One course is this, which is going to start from 4th of November, overview of geo computation and geo web services. Second is this, air pollutant, which would be started from 18 to 22nd of November. And third is this remote sensing and GIS applications in natural resource management. It is scheduled from November 11 to 22. So in which course you are interested, you can go and register for that. Let's suppose you are interested in this. So there, once you click on this, you will get the course schedule. You can just click on this and this is the course schedule. Classes from 4th November to 8th of November. This is the proper schedule. The speaker, these are the ISRO scientists. They are going to teach you. So here you will get like introduction to Python and R interactive session also, right? Interactive session means Q&A session, like you can interact with those speakers. It's not like that they are going to just teach you and sign off. No, you can ask a doubt as well. So if you are interested in this type of geo computation, then you can register for this course. You can go for the schedule first, and then if you want to register, then there is a registration, online registration form as well. You can click on that and this would be the registration form. So you can first register there, your mail ID, your password. After that, you can select the course, then personal detail you have to fill, then educational detail, then your professional documents you have to submit, and then preview and then submit. So there are four or five steps. After that, you will be going to, you are going to complete your form. So once you complete this registration, then only you will be redirected to the next page, then next page, then next page, then next page, like this, right? So these are simple details you have to fill, don't worry, right? And after that, you will get a confirmation email. So like this, you want to, if you want to, register for this, you can go and check out the brochure for this course. And this is the brochure for the second one, which is air pollutant, implication monitoring and modeling. So here you can read out everything about this. You will be given a certificate also, but the completion certificate also. And who can participate in this? Should be a student of final year graduate course or post graduate course, PG, any year. And if you are a staff also, if you are a faculty, then also you can apply. You can apply for this course, or government faculty or a researcher in a university or anywhere. You are eligible to apply for this course, right? So basically, this is for professionals, students, and researchers. Okay. Course study material is like you will get video recorded videos, lecture slides, and some handouts of demonstrations, which will you will get through e-class. Okay. Here you will get the class. Once you register, you will get a user ID and password. You go to here, and then there you just enter your user ID and password, and you can take the class, or you can download all the material there. But there are limited number of seats, so registration will be done on first come first serve basis. So apply as soon as possible, right? The curriculum also you can check for this. And after this, if you want to check the third one, there also you can check the course schedule. It is also 10 or 11 days course. So this is the schedule they are going to teach you in this, and the speakers also. Okay. Now how to register? Let me just show you. So the link you will get in the description box of this video. Don't worry. Suppose you want to register for like this overview of geo computation and geo web services. So click on online registration form, and this is the registration form. So you can submit your details and then click on register. After registration, you will be redirected to this page like select course. So here you can select the course out of these three. I want to let's go for this one, right? Now see, there are two mode of registration: individual registration as well as you can register through ISRO Nodal Center. Means you in Nodal Center you can select your institute. Just search if your institute is listed there. You can just select your institute from here, and you can register through this through Nodal Center. Right? There are so many institute and colleges. So you can go there and select there. If your institute is not here in this list, you can go for individual registration as well. Don't worry. Right? And then you have to fill some basic details here. Prerequisite for the selected course. See, the basic qualification prerequisite are nothing. Prerequisite for this course is nothing. So any you can select. How this course content will be helpful for your professional career. Your career you can just write down in few words, and then next. Once you click on next, then you have to submit your personal detail, educational detail, professional document, preview, and then you can just submit. And after that, you will get a mail with a user ID and a password. And there after that, you can just log in with your user ID and password. So after successfully completing your registration for any course, on the mail you will get user ID, password, as well as the link, a URL also. There you will get their classes, e-classes. So once you click on that URL, there you have to fill your username and password, whatever you will get on your mail. Then you can watch those classes. I mean online classes. But the date is like for this course you can watch the classes from like 4th of November, right? And for this from 18th of November, and for this from 11th of November. Okay, you can go in there, check out. So now that's it for this lecture. The link and the details you will get in the description box of this video. You can go and check out. So now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.